Hi everyone, welcome back to Figuring Out Life in Toronto with me. So today I am here to share that I'm going for my shoot and I was super late. I woke up at 8:30 and I had to be there at 12:30 and right now it's 12, so I only have 30 minutes. But I packed my stuff, what I need. I just wanted to show you what I have packed for my shoot. So this video is all about like what I pack usually whenever I have whenever I don't know what's wrong with my voice today. I think I just had a protein shake, but it was too sugary for me. I think that's the reason why. And don't mind my mess in my room. So I'm actually shooting two looks today. I had to do one formal and one like more kind of a dressier situation. So I have my Gatorade because you never know, you always need energy whenever you're on a shoot. I packed only few items because my makeup and hair is paid by them, so I don't need to worry about any of that. But I have my serum just in case if I want something. I have my comb and I'm just carrying one perfume because I just want to feel good and glowy. So I have this Forever 21 Pink Guava. And that's all for my makeup. I'm carrying a mask because in Toronto I cannot bear the smell on the street or something like that. And this is my dress which I'm wearing today. It's just a basic black it's just a basic black dress with an open back. I'll post my photos on my Instagram, so go follow me on Instagram as well. And for my other casual look, I have my shorts and my this top. And I also have another option if my stylist or agent do not approve of this outfit. I have the summery flower printy skirt, so it's like a long skirt kind of a thing, and a top with tassels on it, and it has like a bow situation that you can tie it on your shoulders and stuff like that. And I have a basic skirt, silver skirt. If the short doesn't work out with that color, so you always have to carry like multiple options because you don't know what they want you to wear on a set. So it's better to bring options to them. And for my heels, I'm just getting my basic black heels and my basic golden heels. So golden and black always go with everything, so you can style either ways. But I also have to get a brown heels. I have a brown heel, but they are like a slip-on kind of heel. So I'm looking forward to get a heel that that have like this kind of a band that goes around my ankle. That way I feel more supported wearing heels. So if you have any suggestions for brown heels that are budget friendly, just let me know in the comment sections. And yeah, that's everything I have in my bag. And I'm shooting with one of my friend Kira, so I'm excited to see her as well. And to go on to the shoot, I'm wearing this basic bodysuit and skirt. I don't know if you can guys see it. Let me just go back. And my slippers. See, I'm not like a professional YouTuber, so I won't be doing justice while showing off whatever I'm wearing. But I have my hair in braid because I want something curly, wavy in my hair. So I'm gonna like take this off when I go onto my shoot. And because I'm shooting for a summer vibe kind of a thing, so I want like that wavy look on me, and I look really good when I have a wavy hair. That's what I have figured out. So yeah, that's everything for today. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next. Until then, have a good weekend. Enjoy your time in Toronto because it's so sunny and beautiful in here. And I hope you enjoy watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next. Bye now.